Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a Eero 6 router for fast Wi-Fi coverage. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Eero 6 router. Connect the Eero 6 to your modem using an Ethernet cable. Plug the power adapter into the Eero 6 and connect it to a power outlet. Download the Eero app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Open the Eero app and create an account, or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts to set up a new network. Select the option to add a new Eero device. Allow the app to access your device's camera to scan the QR code on the bottom of the router. Once the code is scanned, the app will identify your Eero 6. Choose a name for your Wi-Fi network and create a strong password. Wait for the app to finalize the setup and connect to the internet. Once the Eero 6 is connected, the app will guide you through configuration settings. Place any additional Eero units around your home if necessary for better coverage. Use the app to manage connected devices and optimize your network settings. Consider enabling advanced features like parental controls or a guest network. Adjust the placement of your Eero units for optimal Wi-Fi coverage if needed. Monitor your network performance through the app to ensure fast and reliable service. Congratulations, your Eero 6 router is now configured for fast Wi-Fi coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.